The morning brings a gentle sound, a melody that circles round. In every note the world is found. It lifts us up from where we're bound. The leaves are swaying with the tune, a flowing wave beneath the noon. Each voice arises full and soon, a call that warms like June. The air is filled with joyful play. Each beat creates a shining way, a simple tone to light the day. It carries hearts that never stray. The ground beneath begins to sing, a harmony in every ring. Together now our spirits bring a sound that makes the world swing. Feel the music lift the air, it binds us